Hello and welcome, viewers. Are you looking for ways to make money online? Well, today's video might just be the answer you've been looking for. We're going to be talking about how you can earn money by simply watching videos online. Yes, you heard that right. You can make money just by watching videos. It's a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. So, let's dive into how you can start making money by watching videos online. So, how exactly can you earn money by watching videos? The answer lies in online market research companies. These companies are hired by various organizations, such as businesses and government agencies, to conduct research on their products or services. One way they do this is by asking people like you to watch videos and give feedback. The videos you'll be asked to watch could be anything from movie trailers and product demos to TV commercials and online ads. You'll be given a set of questions to answer about the video, such as how you feel about the content, whether it's effective, and what could be improved. This feedback is incredibly valuable to the companies and organizations conducting the research. It helps them to understand what's working and what's not with their products and services, and how they can improve them to better meet the needs of their customers. By providing your honest feedback, you're contributing to this process and making a real impact on the products and services that are being developed. So, not only are you earning money by watching videos, but you're also helping to improve the quality of products and services for everyone. It's a win-win situation. Requirements. To start earning money by watching videos, there are just a few simple requirements that you need to meet. Firstly, you'll need a computer or a mobile phone with an internet connection. This will allow you to access the online market research companies and the videos they want you to watch. Secondly, you'll need some spare time. While watching videos might sound like an easy way to make money, it still requires some effort and attention. You'll need to be able to focus on the videos and provide thoughtful feedback on them. The great thing about this method of making money is that anyone can do it from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you can sign up for market research companies and start earning money by watching videos. And the best part, it's completely free to sign up. So, if you meet these simple requirements and are ready to start making money by watching videos, let's move on to the next step, finding reputable market research companies to sign up with. Let's get started. Now that you know how it works and what the requirements are, it's time to get started. The first step is to find reputable market research companies to sign up with. Here are a few popular ones that you might want to consider. Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Vindel Research. There are many other market research companies out there, but these are a good place to start. When choosing a company, be sure to do your research and read reviews from other users to ensure that it's legitimate and pays well. Once you've chosen a company or multiple companies, you'll need to create an account and complete a profile. This profile will help the company match you with videos that suit your interests and demographics. Be sure to complete your profile accurately and honestly, as this will increase your chances of receiving more relevant videos to watch. After you've completed your profile, you'll start receiving videos to watch and give feedback on. The process may vary slightly depending on the company, but typically you'll be given a set of questions to answer about the video. You'll need to watch the video carefully and provide your honest feedback in order to earn money. And that's it. It's that simple. By signing up with reputable market research companies and completing profiles to receive relevant videos to watch, you can start earning money from the comfort of your own home. In the next section, we'll talk about how much you can expect to earn by watching videos. One of the most important questions when it comes to making money online by watching videos is, of course, how much can you earn? The answer is that it varies depending on the company and the length of the video. Some companies may pay a few cents per video, while others may pay several dollars. As a general rule, longer videos will typically pay more than shorter videos. For example, you may earn $0.50 for a 2-minute video, but $2.50 for a 10-minute video. It's important to keep this in mind when deciding which videos to watch and how much time to dedicate to this activity. In addition to the base pay for watching videos, some market research companies also offer bonuses and referral programs. Bonuses may be offered for completing a certain number of videos or for consistently providing high-quality feedback. Referral programs allow you to earn money by referring friends and family to sign up with the company. It's also worth noting that some companies offer other ways to earn money besides watching videos. For example, Swagbucks offers paid surveys and other activities that can earn you points, which can then be redeemed for cash or gift cards. While you may not get rich by watching videos online, it's still a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. By signing up for multiple market research companies and taking advantage of bonuses and referral programs, you can increase your earning potential even further. While making money by watching videos online is a relatively easy and fun way to earn some extra cash, there are a few tips that can help you maximize your earnings. Here are some suggestions. Sign up for multiple market research companies. By signing up for several companies, you'll increase your chances of receiving more videos to watch and earn more money. Complete your profiles accurately. The more accurate and detailed your profile is, the more likely you are to receive videos that are relevant to you and that you'll enjoy watching. Set goals for yourself. Decide how much time you want to dedicate to watching videos each day or week, and stick to that schedule to ensure you're consistently earning money. Watch for bonuses and referral programs. Many market research companies offer bonuses and referral programs that can help you earn even more money. Keep an eye out for these opportunities and take advantage of them when you can. Take breaks. While it's important to be consistent with watching videos to maximize your earnings, it's also important to take breaks and avoid burnout. Take breaks when you need them to stay fresh and motivated. By following these tips, you can make the most of your time watching videos and maximize your earnings. While this may not be a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button.